Now let's talk about display fonts. Display fonts are designed to be bold, decorative, and attention-grabbing. They are perfect for heading, titles, and other prominent large text elements. However, when we use it in a body text or paragraph, they can create readability issue. By display fonts, I mean fonts like. In this example, you can see that I have used display fonts here for larger text. It looks great in these cases. Now, for small text, it can make the letters feel cramped or overly decorative. It's very difficult to read. Now, in the second example, I have switched to a body font, which now enhances readability and creates more balanced look. While display fonts are specifically designed for large sizes, body fonts are made for both large and small sizes, making them suitable for everything from heading, paragraph, and data table, and even for UI elements. As I mentioned earlier in the previous chapter, if you're just starting out as a web designer, it's best to stick to a single font. And if you do so, make sure to choose a proper body font rather than a display font so that you can use it for both large heading and small paragraphs. I've compiled a list of some of my favorite display fonts and body fonts, which I'll be sharing in the last video of this typography series. So stay tuned.